Hey, Mark here. Just wanted to do a follow-up video for some issues that I've been having with aphids on my okra and on other plants. And one of the things that I keep seeing over and over again on how to get rid of them is to hose them off. You just take a hose and you squirt them off of there, and that's supposed to kill them and get rid of them. So I've been doing it with this plant now for weeks and weeks and months. I've been after these aphids almost daily or every other day. I go in there and I have found the best thing to do is just to kill them with my fingers and squish them. I think that's just the best way to do it. I've got the time to do it, so I do it. Now what I'm showing here is that I've washed off this plant. There were some aphids on it and I washed it off, right? And I got rid of them pretty much. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back in a few minutes, and unlike what I've been told, they're not just these slow movers that will not come back and they don't die. These little aphids, and maybe it's the type because these are black aphids, they end up coming back, and there you go. Now, because this is a macro lens, getting perfect focus is really difficult. But you can see they're just coming right back. And tomorrow when I go out there, all of these are just going to be back up in there. And so as much as it might work for maybe the green ones, at least for the black aphids, the best thing you can do is just get in there and squish them with your fingers. That's really the best thing you can do. Just squish them. If you want to wear gloves, that's fine. After a while, I got tired of it, and I just started squishing it with my fingers. Now, I get it. The best thing is to have the proper soil, and because there's probably too much nitrogen in my soil. And once I fix that, it'll get better. But until that happens, just squish them with your fingers. See you later.